Hi everyone! I would like to share vlog clips from my Patreon. The painting is 7 by 15 inches Triptych, and it is one of my recent favorite painting. Visit my Patreon for the full vlog video. Before showing you the vlog clips, I would like to introduce the newest videos from Patreon. This is 11 by 15 inches koi fish painting. You can view a great use of wet on wet technique. Sumiyo challenge video shares what I know about preparing sumi ink and basic sumi brushwork to depict bamboo. This blog is another 7 by 15 inches triptych. You can see how I paint the autumn trees and reflection on the water simultaneously. Now let's watch the vlog clips. Hi everyone, I'm going to paint something like this into the long format. The masking fluid, imagining like snow on top of the branch, twigs, and so coming out of the ground, and have snow. I'm going to wet the paper just to have some sky color, so I'll use the big brush. Coming from here to here and right here, the warm yellow wash and maybe a little bit of orange, and then this is the sun. Around the sun, a little bit warmer, and use the wet on wet technique. Have some green, ground and shadow. Okay, so right here in the middle area, getting the shadow area. Winter green will be desaturated green. It's not like summer green. Yeah, something like that. And before I forget, I want to add warmer color down here. It's very nice. I'm gonna add a little bit brighter green to brighten up the green. When it gets really close to the sun, I want to add orange and red, then go back to green. And I want to intensify the shadow by cool color, the blue and the purple, tree shadow, darker green but desaturated, so adding Payne's gray and purple. Going along with that wet on wet green, I'm going to match that dark with the shadow. So I'm just gonna go back and then make the shadow a little darker on that some part. Tree trunks, I want to get Payne's gray, like I can use this, and then add more purple and maybe some orange. Go through the part of the light, breaks at the light area. Here comes, and it breaks and then come out. And this is almost like a middle ground, foreground, but it's a little bit step back. Right now I have such a nice tip on this brush, so I don't want to stop painting with this. Sometimes the brush spreads out and then it gives me a hard time to get a nice point, but when I have really nice point like this, I rather use the bigger brush than a small brush. Then this masking fluid is going through, so I'm following the line, masking line. Alright, so that's very expressive. I'm gonna go ahead and sign on the bottom here with a blue shadow color. I'm gonna take the masking fluid off. What happened to this line? It's disappeared. A few places I want to fix with gel pen. Create some dry brush like that. Looks good. A lot of happy accidents. I really enjoy the different level of blurriness to the sharpness to the high value to low value. I think this is a very happy winter day. I hope you enjoyed it. Have fun painting.